The thing about style is that it is almost impossible to pin down. 2 decades ago, the wallpaper that is now haunting your master bath was all the rage. Today, though, it has got to go. Lucky for you, removing wallpaper is relatively simple with some elbow grease and just a few household items. 5-inch rigid putty knife, wallpaper scoring tool, pressure sprayer, hot water from the tap, vinegar, fabric softener, screwdriver, safety goggles, painter's plastic tarp, painter's tape, garbage can, ladder. Before beginning your wallpaper removal, you will want to protect your floors. Wallpaper removal involves spraying water onto the walls, so lay down a plastic painter's tarp. You may want to secure the tarp using painter's tape. Your wall will probably have at least one electrical outlet in it. Turn off the power to the electrical outlet at the breaker box to protect yourself from electrical shock. Leave the outlet cover on and protect the outlet from spray using more painter's tape. Most wallpapers have an outer layer, vinyl, textile, or paper, and an adhesive inner layer, generally paper and glue. Begin your wallpaper removal journey with a large, rigid putty knife or scraper. Simply find an edge to your wallpaper and pry it up using the scraper. If you can, peel the wallpaper down or begin to scrape it off of the wall. If your wallpaper comes off in sheets, you're one of the lucky ones. No matter what type of wallpaper you have, it is a good idea to purchase an inexpensive wallpaper scoring tool. Use light pressure to run the scoring tool over the entire surface of the wall. Don't press too hard because the scoring tool could puncture through the paper and into the sheetrock or plaster. This will add extra work of wall repair once you're done removing the wallpaper. A hot water and vinegar solution applied to the paper and adhesive backing reactivates the adhesive, allowing the paper to come off of the wall. There are 2 types of household wallpaper removal solutions that work best. Solution number 1, 1/4 fabric softener to 3/4 hot water. Solution number 2, 1/3 household vinegar to 2/3 hot water. Mix hot water from your tap or kettle with either product in a household pressure sprayer. You are ready to wet the walls. Before you do so, put on safety goggles. Have a large garbage can nearby so that you can place large pieces of wallpaper directly into it. Use your pressure sprayer to apply a hot water solution to a section of wall that's about 4 feet wide. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow the hot water solution to work its magic. After a few minutes, use your rigid scraper to pry up a corner of the wallpaper and pull the wallpaper off in sheets. You may find that some wallpaper has dried and become more difficult to remove. Ignore the dried wallpaper and focus on removing the still wet pieces. Once the majority of the wet paper is removed, you may repeat this process. Spray, wait, and remove the remaining bits of wallpaper. Remove the painter's tape from the outlet cover and use a screwdriver to remove the cover. You should be able to use your scraper to remove the wallpaper around the outlet. If necessary, use a rag with your hot water solution to wet the area. Wait a few minutes and scrape the wallpaper off. Once you have removed all of the wallpaper, you will need to remove the second adhesive layer. Spray a section of wall with your hot water solution and wait a few minutes. Use the scraper to remove the final adhesive layer. Use a clean wet rag to wipe away any remaining glue or adhesive. You've done it! Out with the old and in with the new. Use an oil-based primer to prepare your wall for a fresh coat of paint.